What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in your laptop or PC. So the first thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video is to check the LAN settings or local area network settings. So click search and then control panel. After that click internet options. Once you see this like internet properties, click connections and then click LAN settings. Make sure it's automatically detect settings because if it's manual that may cause the Wi-Fi issue. So click automatically detect settings and then OK. After that we're gonna go back and click on the Wi-Fi icon and then click the settings icon. Once you click that, we're gonna go to network and internet and we're gonna be checking the proxy server settings and make sure they are automatically set. So click proxy server for Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections and make sure it's on and automatically detect the settings. So once you make sure both of them are automatically set, go back to network and internet and check your connection. You can come here to the Wi-Fi and then click show available networks. Try to disconnect or forget this SSID that you're connected to and reconnect back and try and see if it's gonna work. If it didn't, come back to the network and internet and click advanced network settings and click network reset. So that's gonna reset all the network adapters to factory settings and that should help your laptop to fix the issue. So these are the easy methods to fix your Wi-Fi issue. If none of them worked, you can just comment below this video and I will be making another easy video where I will show you guys how you can troubleshoot this Wi-Fi problem just from the command lines. So that's it for this video. If you like, please share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials.